Welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, I am a Danae, and thank you guys for joining me today. If you are new here, how you doing? If you are old, welcome back. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow me, duh. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to all my dope content. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a video, because why not? Why not? Today, coming in with the closing of February. Today is February 28th. So I want to do a video on my top 6 products for February. And these are my empty jars. And these are products for your natural hair with the exception of one. Well, it could be natural or relaxed, transitioning, etc. Whatever you use them for, but generally for natural hair. So, without further ado, we'll get right into this video. So, getting right to it, this month, or was it last month? December. It was December. Woo. So, in December, I got the Curl Box Platinum, as well as, scratch that, I got the Main Choice Birthday Box. That box had in it, I think it was like 11. It was a lot of Main Choice products. So I got a lot of products from there. I got to test out some stuff that I liked and stuff that I didn't like. As far as stuff that I like, there are 3 Main Choice products in my empty set favorites for this month. So first Main Choice product is the Serum Oil Mist, and it's from the Heavenly Halo collection, and it's this one. If you guys can see, it's not empty, but I use it on a pretty consistent basis. When I finish twisting my hair, I usually spray it all over before I put my bonnet on, and I also use it in conjunction with this oil. I had a really little bottle of oil that my hairdresser made for me that has been making my hair grow honey. And it was like a mix of coconut, jojoba oil, and a bunch of different oils that I was spraying, because if you watched one of my last videos, I told you guys that I kind of snatched out some hairs in here along my middle part. And it was torture for me because I like to part my hair down the middle, and it was a little piece just missing from my middle part. So I couldn't do my middle parts anymore. So I have been using that oil and like not wearing headbands, and it's definitely been working and helping grow my hair back. So that was the first item. The second item is the Main Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Curl Boosting Sherbet. So I use this, well, I was using this. It is completely gone, as you can see. This is the container. I'll put all of the names of the items down in the description box so that you don't have to just rely on seeing it in the video, because I know you can't really see it. So this was the Curl Boosting Sherbet. I use this on my bantus, and after I do the oil and my leave-in, I use this before I bantu, and it makes them like super duper silky, and it makes your hair shine. There was another video that I did a few days ago, I'll link it in the top or just put in a picture, where my hair was like shining. It was because of this stuff. Like, I love this stuff. So that was one. One item that I use on my twist outs, it is another Main Choice product. It's not completely gone because it takes a lot to use this up, because it's a really loose product. It is the Ancient Egyptian 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel, and it's this one. You can't see it really well, so again, I'll have those descriptions in there, but it's the 24 karat twisting gel. I use this on my twists, and it makes them really defined, and I just get a really good twist out when I use this product. So this is definitely one that I swear by. Like it says, it moisturizes and tames frizz, which it definitely does in your twist, because that's my problem. As you can see, my hair now, this is a 3-day-old bantu knot, and I went to the gym and everything, so excuse my hair. But it gets really frizzy, so if you like put it on those pieces where it's super frizzy, it really does tame the frizz. So I love this stuff here. Next product is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. So as you can see, completely empty. This is another one that I absolutely love. Before I was using this product, the main choice for my Bantus, it was because I had ran out of this. Essentially they achieved the same thing. This one, like, first of all, I use the whole Blueberry Bliss line. I use the Edge Control or the Edge Control Paste. I use the Co-Wash, and I use, there's one more product that I can't think of right now, but I use that as well. And the Twist and Shout Cream is everything. Like, before I got my main choice box, I was using all of the Blueberry Bliss products, and I love them. Like, they leave my hair feeling soft, they leave my curls shining, and it leaves my Bantus and my twists really, really shiny. So you'll definitely get the definition that you want with this stuff. So I would recommend that whole line. They also have a hair growth serum that I've been wanting to try that I just haven't gotten around to buying yet. Next product would be the Camille Rose Almond J Twisting Butter with sweet almond milk and honey. And that is this one. And as you guys can see, once again, we like hanging on by a thread in there. So if you're wondering like why I use so much product, it's because my hair like gets wet and it dries really fast. So in order for me to sorry guys, my eye is watering. In order for me to like get defined curls, I have to, one, re-wet, and two, use more product than normal. So I use a little more than a lot of people's, like the dime size. Yeah, dime size does not, I don't know who hair they testing these products on where dime size is working, because I be taking scoops like for my full head, not for a little section. So definitely love the Camille Rose Twisting Butter. I've also used the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and it is expensive, but it is everything. Like, everything. My Wash and Go, poppin'. I used that in conjunction with the curling smoothie back in the summer, and I also used the Curl Maker by itself, like when it was warmer, because otherwise I won't do a Wash and Go because I get sick. So poppin'. If you haven't tried Camille Rose's products, try those. These are the first two that I have tried, and I definitely want to try more. So my last product on my list is the MAC, which is not a hair product, random. But you know, it's the winter months, it's cold outside. My lips get really, really chapped and really dry, and I need something to like scrub off the dead skin. And I used to use the e.l.f. like little exfoliator stick, but I don't know what I was doing. I put the top on it, it broke in half, couldn't use it. So I got this stuff because I walk around MAC and just buy stuff apparently. I've had this for a while. So it's the Lip Scrubtious MAC, and it's just this little container, and this one is the sweet brown sugar. So like, after I finish washing my face and brushing my teeth, I use this before I leave, and you just literally rub it on and you can feel it like removing the dead skin. And this is how it looks. A little bit definitely goes a long way with this product. It's supposed to like do a slight tint, but it's really like, I love it. It leaves like a small tint. I don't see anything too major, and it doesn't taste like, because you know it'll get in your mouth if you scrub your lips. It doesn't taste bad either. So I definitely would recommend that. I don't even know if MAC is still selling it, but I love it. And then an honorable mention, of course, is my little baby here. My little detangling brush. You know, it's real, it's hair in it. And they sell these whatever you do, don't go to Sally's and get a detangler brush because they're like $15. I think I got this from my beauty supply store for $5 and it has been going strong ever since. So yeah. Well, if you guys have tried any of those products, let me know in the description box. If you have some February favorites, drop them down in the comment section and let me know what you guys think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. As always, I'm Danae. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.